Good morning to all my dear students. So today we are going to see how to find out the SCF. The first we will understand the meaning of the SCF. If you remember in last lecture, in last video I explained you to find out the prime factors of the given number. So like this, by using the vertical arrangement and by using the horizontal arrangement, we find out the prime factors of the given number. So with the help of those prime factors, we are going to identify the HCF and the GCD. So now see here, this is also another way to find the prime factors. It is nothing but you can say it is a chart format. So what is the meaning of the SCF? So SCF is stand for H for the highest, C for the common and F for the factor. So SCF means what? Highest common factor. And same GCD. So GCD means is what? Greatest common divisor, या you can say greatest common factor also. So here the question number 1, find the SCF of 24 and 32 by using the prime factor method. So by using the prime factor method is nothing but by using the either by using the vertical arrangement or the horizontal arrangement. So first I will explain you by using the horizontal arrangement. The first number is given, it is what? 24. So here we are going to find out the 24 factor. So now this 24 is divisible by which number? It is, we can divide it by 2, because the last unit place which number are there? 4 is there, so we can divide by 2. So when we divide by 2, so what factor we are getting? Now suppose here I will do the for the page, suppose I am going to use this one. If you know the direct division, you can do. So see here, in 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are So those students know directly, you can see 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So here 12. And if you are confused, so do the division the way we do it. So 2 divided by what? 24. So 2 ones are 2, 0. Then carry 4 downstairs, and here 2 twos are 4. So what? 0. So what? 2 into 12. So here we wrote the 2 into 12. Now the next one. Again 2 here into this 12, again we can divide it by 2. Yes. And in 2's table when the 12 come, 6 are. So here 2 6 are 12. अगर इस तरह से करना है, do it. It is what? 2 into 12, 2 divided by 12. So what? 2 6 are 12. So 2 into 6 we wrote in the next one. Now again 2 into 2 into, again this 6 we can divide by 2. So here 2 into, in 2's table when it's come, 3s are. So the next one answer is what? 3s are. So इसके आगे और factors we can find out? No, we can't find out. So this is the last one. So now here suppose I am going to make one straight line, and this side I will find out the factors of 24. If you do not have space, you can find out downstairs. Now I am going to find out the factors of 32. So 32 is equals to, the 32 again unit place what? 2 is there. So we can, according to 2 divisibility test, we can divide by the 2. So when we divide 32 by 2, so what we are getting? See here, 2 ones are 2, remain 1 is remaining, then this 2 carry we downstairs, 2 6 are 12. So it is what? 16, means 2 into 16. So first factor is nothing but what? 2 into 16. Done. Again this 16 we can divide by 2. So here see 2, this 2 as it is, then this 16 now we are going to divide by which number? 2. So here we wrote 2 and into. So when we divide 16 by 2, so what? 2 8s are 16. So we are getting 8. Done. Again 2 into 2 into, now this again 8 we divide by 2. So 2 के टेबल में 8 कब आते हैं? 4s are. तो 2 4s are 8. See here, 8 2s are 16. Now again 2 into 2 into 2 into, again this we can divide it by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Clear? So now HCF का full form क्या है? Highest common factor. So now here the two numbers are given, and in these two numbers, whichever the factors, means in the last row, whatever the common factors we are getting, we are going to make them underline. So see here, these 2 and here the 1 2 pair. Then suppose here second, each pair I'm going to show with the different symbol. Suppose it is with dot, and again here the 1 2 and 1 2. Any other one is matching here. See, now the 3 is remaining, but in the second number, that's in 32, in 32's factor 3 is there, no. So मैच होने वाले कौन कौन से? 2, this 2 2 2 and 2 and 2. With 3 is there, no. 2 यहाँ पे 2 extra 2 है, here only 1 3 is there, so we can match them. So the last row, in the last row what we are going to see, in the last row we are going to write down the common factors. कौन सा आया common factors? 2 2 only is there, so therefore here we are going to say SCF. So therefore SCF is equals to, so which are the common factors? The first pair is what? 2 into 2, so only one times you have to write down. Second pair is what? See, dotted line 2 and 2, तो उनकी एक pair हुई, तो that 1 2 and here this means 3 times thrice 3 is the common, so 2 2s are 4. See, and 4 into 2, 4 2s are is what? 8. So the SCF of this 24 and 32 is nothing but what? It is nothing but what? 8. Understood? If you do the directly, you can do 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Clear? So here this we solve by the vertical arrangement, vertically method. So now we are going to solve by the, sorry, this is the horizontal arrangement. Now we are going to see by the vertical arrangement. It's your wish, you can solve by using any one method, either by vertical method या horizontal method. So now by using the vertical method, so now in vertical method again same, find out the factors, but we are going to find out it by vertical method. So here what, in vertical method we need to make the 2 column. So first number is what? 24. So 24 we are going to divide by what? 2. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Then again this 12 we can divide by 2. So here we wrote 2, 2 6 are 12, and this again 2. So 6 we are going to divide by 2. So 2 कितने? 3s are 6. Done. And now here the 3 is there, so 3 we can't divide by 2. So what we are going to divide this 3 by 3. So 3 into 3. So 3 divided by 3, it is what? 1. Clear? So here we are getting the factors of 24. Now here this side we are going to find out the factors of next number. It is nothing but 32. 32. So again we are going to divide by 2. So we wrote 2 here, divisor we wrote here, divide on this side. So 2 1s are 2 and remaining is what? 1. So 2 6 are 12. आपको अगर इस तरह से नहीं आए तो मैंने आपको बताया इस तरह से करना है, एंड जो आने वाले हैं that we have to write down here. Done. So now again this 16 we divided by 2. So 2 and 2 के टेबल में 16 कब आते हैं? 8. So the answer is what? 8. 2 2s are 4. Clear? And again 2 2s are 4 here, 2 and 8 सा कब आते हैं? 4 सा. And these 2 again we are going to divide by what? 2. So when we divide this by 2, so what we are getting? 1. So 1 we wrote here. Now see, here we find out the horizontally. So now here we are going to solve it by the horizontally. So here it is what? SCF. What we are going to say there? So therefore the SCF. So common factor C. Here this 2 and this 2, then again this 2, this 2, this 2 and this 2, then here 3 नहीं है, यहाँ पे 2 नहीं है, तो how many with 3 thrice time 3 times 2, that is the common factor. So here see, 3 occurs thrice in each number, so 3 is the common factor, so that we are going to write down here. So 2 into 2 into 2, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, sorry. So therefore SCF is what? 8. So now it's on to you. See, SCF you can find out by using this method, या by using vertical arrangement, या by using horizontal arrangement. But just you have to keep in properly in your mind. यहाँ पे you have to just from whatever the two pairs numbers are given, या three numbers are given, three numbers one pair is given. So उनमें से just you have to find out the common factors, and then that the multiplication of that common factor is nothing but you are the highest common factor, yeah, your SCF. Clear? So now this is one example, and we will see one more example. So here how many numbers are given? Two numbers, one pair is given. Now we will see the three numbers. When the three numbers are given and we have to find out the SCF. So this is your example from your practice set. So now first number is what given? 777. So here 777 matlab 777. So now this number, see this number now coming in which table? If you see here, so these numbers are 24, 32, they are easy and we know that. So now how to find out these numbers? Because here 777 is there, here 315 is there, and here 588 is there. So now how to find out? तो मैंने आप लोगों को कहा था please learn the divisibility test. So now here divisibility test. So here see, if you are going to see we can divide by 7, so you can divide, but after that what you will do? So first two divisibility test. So this we can divide by the two divisibility test. Last place 2 के divisibility के लिए last unit place which number we require? 0, 2, 4, 6 and the 8. तो यहाँ पे कोई number है? So no, so we can't divide. So now after that three divisibility test. So three divisibility test is what? If the sum of given numbers, each pair sum of given numbers is in the three stable number, then we can divide by. So here see 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 7 21. So 21 is coming in three stable, yes. So it means for this number we can divide by the 7. So how we are going to divide by the 7? So now see here the division is bigger, so I will tell you, please do on the rough page. So here 777 divided by what? 3. So 3 2s are 6. Done. So what is remaining? 1. Then this 7 we carry downside. So 3 5s are 15. Done. So what? 7 minus 2. Then again this 7 we took here, and here it is what? 9s are 3 9s are 27. So what we are getting? 3 into 259. So here what we are going to write down? 3 into 259. So now again this 259 we can divide by 3. So check their sum. So 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 2 15, 16. So 16 is coming is three stable? No. So we can't divide this number by 3. So now the next what? 4 5 6 you have to try. If you try, then you will understood these numbers you can divide by the 7. Why the 7? Because here it is the 9 is that unit place, and if we are going to see the 7 square, 7 7s are 49. The 9 is coming, so try to divide by the 7. So when we divide, we will see 259 is equals to divided by 7. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So 7 3s are 21. So what is remaining? 24 minus 21 is what? 4. Then 9 carry downstairs. 7 7s are 49. So here it is what? 0. It means what? The next factor is what? 7 into 37. So here this 3 as it is into. Now this 259 we divided by what? 7. So here it is 7, and when we divide by 7, so what we are getting? Quotient 37. So this 37 here. Now after next this we can do their multiplication? No, because see this 37 we can further divide? No, because 37 is the prime number, so we can't divide that one. So now the next we are going to, so एक is उसको divide नहीं कर सकते, तो which number? So we can divide by the 1. So here the last is nothing but what? 3 into 7 into 37. Now we are going to divide by the 37 only. So 37 1s are clear. So it is the last one. So now next we are going to see 312. 15. So now 350. So here 315. So to do the addition, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. So 9 is coming in 3 steps. So it means what, these numbers we can divide by 9 also, 3 also, and by the 5 also. So here 3 into. So now see, bigger number is, so do not do that directly. Here we are going to use the regular method. So 315 divided by what, 3. So 3 ones are 3, 0, carry 1. So this 1 we can't divide because 1 is smaller than the 3. So here we give 0 and then this 5 we carry downstairs. Done. So here 3 5s are 15. So 0 0. Done. So here it is what, 105. So 3 into 105. So see, 5 plus 0 5 and plus 1 6. So again this number we can divide by 3. So 3 into 3. So when we divide, see, 105 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. So what, 1 remaining, carry 15. 3 5s are 15. 0 0. So 3 into 35. So 3 into what, 35. Now here this 35 we can divide by 3. 5 plus 3, it's what, 8. So we can't divide. So unit place which number is there, 5 is there. So if any numbers unit place 0 and 5 are there, so that numbers we can divide by 5. So here these numbers now we are going to divide by 5. So what we are getting, 3 into this 3 as it is, and these numbers we are going to divide by 5. So 5 7s are 35. और इसके आगे, see, this 7 is prime numbers and prime numbers we can divide by them only. So 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 1. See here I explain one more step if you want to finish out here, because after that you are getting the, this is prime number, और prime number अगर एक बार हमें मिले तो उसके बाद उस नंबर को हम उस नंबर से ही डिवाइड कर सकते. तो at the end we are getting 1 only. Clear? Now next one, which number is there, 588. Wait, I will write down here. So 588 we can divide by which number? Unit place what? 8 is there. So we can divide by 2. So 2 into. So now see here. 588. 2 2s are 4. Carry 1 here, 18. 2 9s are 18. 0 0. This 8 we took here. 2 4s are 8. So 294. ठीक है, 2 into 94. So now again 294 we can divide by 2. So 294 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 0. Again 9. 2 4s are 8, 1, and here 4 7s are. Done. So what, 2 into 147. So here this 2 as it is, and 294 we divided by what, 2. So 2 when we divide by 2, so what we are getting, 147. So 2 into 147. So here it is 2 divided by 2. So यहाँ पे 2 and quotient is what, 147. So now this 147 अभी ये किससे हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? So now 120, check, 2 से तो we can't divide. So now 3 we are going to try. So 7 plus 4 it is what, 11. 11 plus 1 12, and 12 is coming in 3 table. So 3 के उससे डिवाइड करेंगे. So here before, see, 2 into 2 into, इसको डिवाइड किया है by the 3. So 3 into. So what is the question? Check, we will see here. 147 divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 4s are 12. So what is 2 remaining? 7 carry down, so 9s are 27. So what, 49. So what we are getting, 49. See, divide by 3, so we are getting 49. So you wrote 2. So 2 into this 3 as it is into. Now 49 is coming in which table? If you remember, so in 7's table 49 is coming. The 7 7s are 49. So here the common factors we are going to see. See, 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into, now this 7 we are going to divide by 7 only and into 1. So now therefore the HCF, तो इसके HCF means what, highest common फैक्टर. सो नाउ इफ यू ऑब्जर्व हियर, तो यहाँ पे HCF में हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर थी, यहाँ पे 2 थे, तो वी कंपेयर द 2, मतलब दोनों में जो कॉमन फैक्टर्स है दैट वी मार्क. तो हियर द 3 numbers are given. So here in the 3s whichever the common only you have to mark those only. So here see this 3, यहाँ पे 3 है and here also 3. So first one is what? 3, 3 and the 3. So first one is the 3. Done. Now the next one is what? 3. यहाँ पे 3 और एक है, नहीं ओनली सिंगल 3. यहाँ पे 2 3 है पर नो वी वांट ओनली सिंगल. देन 2 2 2, यहाँ पे 2 नहीं है, यहाँ पे 2 है. 2 इज ओनली इन द 588 प्राइम फैक्टर, सो वी कांट टेक. नाउ द नेक्स्ट 37. नाउ द नेक्स्ट व्हाट? 7. तो 7 इज हियर एंड हियर इज देयर. सो सपोज डॉट 7 7 एंड द 7. तो नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? 7. नाउ 37, नो 1 is also common. See 1 1 and the 1, so into 1. So 3 7s are 21 and 21 into 1 1. 21 into 1 21. So what? 21. See 3 7s are 21. 21 into 1 21. So therefore the HCF of these numbers are nothing but what? 21. Clear? If you want to solve these factors by this vertical arrangement, तो वो सेम वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट आप लोगों को करनी है. और तीनों में इस तरह से, जिस तरह से वी फाइंड आउट हियर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स vertically, like that only you have to find out here also. But I will say solve by this horizontal method because it is the easiest one. Clear? I hope all of you understood. So now your homework is you have to solve all the remaining sum from the practice set 11. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So in next video, I will explain you those examples. Thank you.